Hello, baking friends! Get ready to create something truly special today. We're making a delightful berry crumb cake that's perfect for any occasion, or just a cozy afternoon treat. It's simple, satisfying, and absolutely bursting with flavor. First, let's whip up that irresistible crumb topping. Combine flour, sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, and cold butter. Use your fingertips to rub it all together until you have lovely, coarse crumbs. This golden, buttery topping is what makes our cake so wonderfully textural. Now for the cake itself. Cream together softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time, then stir in vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients, alternating with milk, mixing just until combined. This creates a tender, moist base for our berries. Next, gently fold in your favorite fresh or frozen berries. Blueberries, raspberries, or a mix work beautifully. The vibrant fruit adds a juicy burst of sweetness and a beautiful pop of color to every slice. Don't overmix. We want those berries intact. Pour your batter into a prepared pan, then generously sprinkle that glorious crumb topping all over. Bake until golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool slightly, then slice into this warm, comforting masterpiece. You've just made pure happiness.